Hello all. So today I'm using pure candlestick psychology to take the trades. So I think you have seen my previous videos of 5 minutes time frame and expiry. So the same way I'm going to take the trades now, and I'm going to take for 5 trades, 5 to 7, depending on the fluctuation of this market. So I'm going to use digital currency. So here now let's analyze the market. So here we have complete downtrend and this is a reversal point here. Now market is exactly getting the rejections from this area. Okay, and let's go for 5 minutes. Okay, and one more area is at this area. So I'm expecting at least the market will make at least one bullish candle here because this is a strong buyers area, strong level, support level. At least one single candle will be a green candle here from this closing point of the candle, and also the candle is very strong with a huge rejection. So I need a rejection here or else I will go with sellers only. So let's take a confirmation on 15 seconds candles. So 15-second candles confirm that yes, there is a presence of buyers. See the buyers strength. So buyers came in very strong. It is okay to go ahead with the bias. Okay, okay. So I took for a call option here for 5 minutes after taking the confirmation of the bias entry from this area. Okay, and my entry is actually a bit late. I actually thought to keep my trade from this area, from this level. So let's see how it goes. Let's go back to 5 minutes candle time frame. Oh, it is actually pretty late entry. So this was supposed to be my entry point. Okay, and let's go for next Euro GPY. So if I got any opportunity for the next trade, I'm gonna take from here only. So this is the market is at the reversal point again, same like my previous trade. Okay, and market is in the downtrend. It is actually in a downtrend and ranging, and it hit the level and huge rejection from sellers. See, this was actually my late entry here. If I get any opportunity again, I'll enter with two trades from this from here. I'll try to take a trade. Okay, so here I got a rejection. All right, and market is in the major trend is a downtrend, and I'm getting a huge selling pressure, and again market reversed with a buying pressure. I don't know, I'm a bit confused over here because so let's see where is the next seller's entry point. This was supposed to be the seller's entry, but if it breaks this level, next entry is here. Exactly, this is the next entry of sellers. So let's see in the 15-second candles. Mm, so sellers are more powerful in 15-second candles. You can see buyers are coming very strongly and becoming weak, but sellers are coming on in a continuous trend manner, like here, here, and here. So, but next seller's entry is here. That's for sure. And also, if the candle closes like this, it's a continuation sign. Here, I think my trading is in losing position because of my entry point. No problem, I can enter again from this area with double, but I'm expecting this will give me a winning trade. Okay, but here I could even able to go for 1 minute time frame trades, but I'm only taking 5 minutes trades because it is, if we get a good entry points, and it gives us a lot of time to analyze the market and enter in a safe area. Still, we will get some losses like this trade which we lost earlier, and right now we are in running two trades, and I'm gonna take another four trades surely. we will surely win this trade. And also for the next trade, I think we have to analyze here. Here we have a seller's entry from this area, and we also got a rejection. So okay, so here again I'm going to enter for the call option for next 5 minutes. Okay, no, yes, for a put option, because and here also for 5 minutes for call option. So the last two trades we got a winning trades, this one and this one, Euro USD and Euro JPY. So both are our winning trades. Now currently this trade I took for a put position because it's the major trend is a downtrend, and we may have a retracement candle here because of this huge rejection, and the candle also closing is very strong. It's sign of a reversal. And here I took for a call option because I can see from this area there is a strong buyer's entry with no rejection from the top. There was no rejection. So at least I'm expecting another sell. The next seller's entry, sorry, the next sellers will be entered from this point. So let's see how it goes. So I entered for two call options again from this area because I'm seeing that this candle will close as a rejection of sellers. So that's why I entered again for two times, because even if I lost on my previous trade, I can win at least in the weak rejection of sellers. I'm expecting that this candle will close as a weak rejection of sellers. In this candle, I don't know what is happening. There is a huge selling pressure, as I can see, and also buying pressure as well. That's why there is equal rejections from each point, from here and from here. But actually now the market is in the sellers area, so that's for sure. It's not in buyers area. And here also, let's see, another 47 seconds. And if this candle closes as a bearish candle, I can go with sellers, because it's a downtrend and a huge selling pressure for next 5 minutes. Or else I can go with buyers. No, it's actually the candle is in the sellers area, so better to be with sellers only. So previous two trades we won the trades, this one. And so as I was telling you that this candle will close as a weak bearish candle, so it was, my prediction was correct. And here also again, sellers made a new low, sorry, it, they couldn't make a new high or a new low, but it's at the reversal point, so that's why I took for a put option here. Okay, so this is my next uh, predicted candle, which is, because the market is in the downtrend and a huge selling pressure, uh, buying pressure from this area, but market is in downtrend, the huge sellers. No, I think it will be better if we go ahead with the buyers, because huge buying pressure and the weak sellers. So I think the next sellers will be at here. So I'll enter for another two calls here, just for a safer side. So I've entered for a buy option here because buying pressure, weak sellers, and also the momentum, and it is actually a continuation sign in the middle of the candles. And next seller's entry is here at this point, so that's why I entered for two call option. Okay, ADCAD, no, I'm not sure. USDJPY, yes, I think here we can go with sellers in the next candle, because no, this is the reversal point. Okay, and market is in the uptrend and strong candle. If there is a rejection, if it closes at the buyers area, I think we can go with buyers. If there is no rejection, then better be with sellers only. And here is the next buyer's entry, and also a reversal point here, and as well as there is another level also over here. So market may continue another bearish candle until here, or maybe here, because there is a huge selling pressure from this candle and this candle as well. And if this is giving from this rejection from this area, we need to check previous levels. I don't see anything. And next round number is here, around this area. So the next trade I'm gonna take for put option here because uh, huge selling pressure and major trend and minor trend are both equal. Now I think this is a retracement. This is actually a retracement because you can see uh, a sudden spike of buyer's entry. So this is actually a retracement move, impulsive. So I'm going to take for a put option. Okay, so I have kept a put option here, hoping it will give me a winning trade below my entry point. And previous trade was a winning trade. Here, my analysis was wrong for the first trade. I thought that there will be a seller's entry, but I was keep on seeing the buyer's rejection from this area. So when I reanalyzed, I saw that there was a huge buying rejection, a buying pressure, and a weak sellers. And the next seller's entry was here or maybe here. This is the next seller's entry. So I immediately took two opposite trades from this level. So it gave me a winning trade. So until now, totally I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, current running trade. So first trade, this was my losing trade. This was actually my mistake. Here there was a late entry. That's why I lost this trade. I was supposed to enter at this area. When I was checking the candlesticks on 15 seconds frame, I missed the entry point. So my late entry was problem here, and next trade we won here. So I kept a call option here because there was a buying pressure and a momentum, and there was a continuation sign, and the next sell buyer's entry was at this area. And the second trade, the same asset uh, which I lost in this candle. So I kept a call option here because I saw that the sellers are rejecting or entering from this rejection, and also market is at the strong buyers area, so that's why I took for a call option. And third one, I took put option here because I can see there is a huge rejection from the sellers and the market is at the sellers area, and market rejected and created a new a bearish candle. And in the next candle here I took for a call option uh, in this candle because I thought that there will be a seller's entry, but I couldn't see much seller's entry. But when it touched this level, so there was a huge buying pressure, so I immediately took the two call options from the rejection point. Okay, so from this area I took first, I took for a call option from this air level where the market opened, but due to the huge selling pressure, the candle reached a new low, sorry, the lowest point of at the buyer's area. So the candle will close as a rejection candle. So that's why I took for a call option from the another level at the rejection point, and it gave me a winning trade. And here I took first trade I took for a put option because I thought it's a downtrend and a huge selling pressure. There was only two options, but for call option here I saw that the buyers has this is a strong buyers area, and they have created a new high, and also the buyers given a strong rejection in the previous candle, and there was a weak seller's entry. So after taking a put option here, again I entered for two call positions from this area, so it gave me a winning trade. And my final trade is here, this one. So another 57 seconds or 25 seconds is there to finish this trade. So I took this put position because this is a downtrend. The major trend is a downtrend and minor trend is an uptrend, and minor trend is also actually a downtrend because this is an impulsive move, and there was a huge selling pressure, and the candle created a new low when compared to the previous candle, and the present candle I took for a put option here. So another 21 seconds. So totally I took 7 trades out of one loss trade, which is because of my entry point. So out of my 7 trades, 6 are winning trades. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching my channel.